Go forward. Go left. Go right. Shutting down. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a joystick controller. What we'll be needing a female to male Dupont wire, a potentiometer, a joystick, sensor wire, resistor, and a RGB LED. We'll be using a breadboard, Arduino board, and a wire. Here is the structure of the joystick controller. It's not complete, so I'm going to show you my design. Here is my design. We connect the female to male function wire here to the ground plus 5V, VRX, VRY, and SW. Then we now connect it to the Arduino board. So the ground is going to be connected to the ground, and the 5V is going to be connected to 5V. Then the VRX is going to be connected to A0, and the VRY is going to be connected to A1. Lastly, the SW is going to be connected here at the breadboard. Next is going to be the sensor wire. We need the blue wire here. Sensors wire is going to be connected to 9, 10, and 11 right over here. Then the 11 one should be connected here, the 9 here, no, the 10 here, and the 9 here. We now put our RGB LED light here. Then we put our sensors wire, the 210 here. Then we put our other ground sensors wire at the long RGB LED. Put our resistor on the remaining 3 and put our sensors wire. Next up, coding. First, we're going to define our joystick pin A0, A1. We're going to define the RGB LED pin, the 9, 10, 11. Default color for the RGB, e.g. purple tone, consists red equals to 128, consists default green is going to be 0, default blue is going to be 128. We're going to void setup, then we're going to set up the PWM output for the RGB LED. We're going to void loop, read the joystick position 0 to 10 to 3, the map joystick value to PWM brightness, update the LED color based on joystick position, and this delay to 50, small delay for smoother transition. So here's the code we're going to be coding. After writing your code, you verify, then you plug your wire in, then you upload. Walk forward, walk backwards, wave goodbye. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn off the post notification.